hotel recently received a TripAdvisor review and I'd like to dispute it. Can you point me in the right direction?
Hi there. The dispute process on TripAdvisor is rather straightforward. If you're in your management center or the back end of TripAdvisor and you navigate to reviews on the left-hand side of the page, your reviews will display in chronological order. You'll see that to the right of each review is an arrow, and you can click on that arrow and different options will open up, such as Report Review. Click on Report Review. You'll then be prompted to select from a menu of reasons for which you're reporting the review. A text box will then appear in which you can share a brief overview on why you're disputing this review, and you can then click Submit. In most cases, you'll likely hear from TripAdvisor within 2 to 3 business days. We hope this information has been helpful, and we wish you endless 5-star reviews.